Welcome to this short video introducing the report from Academy Heddwch Cymru on Wales as a nation of peace. My name is Colin McInnes and I'm the research lead for Academy Heddwch Cymru. Let me say three things first of all. Firstly, what do we mean by peace? In this report, we think of peace as being more than simply the absence of war. It's about societies living without fear. So this may involve the absence of violence, but it also involves issues such as social justice, fairness, respect, and tolerance. Secondly, what do we mean by nation of peace? There are, of course, a number of countries in the world which are recognised as nations of peace, ranging from Norway to Costa Rica. But there is no blueprint for this. Instead, it is highly context dependent. And so what nation of peace means for Wales might be something different from what it means for other countries. However, there is something which unites all nations of peace, and that's the way in which it conducts their relations. These are done in a cooperative manner, emphasising dialogue over conflict. Third point is, why shouldn't Wales think about becoming a nation of peace? And we think it's not simply to raise the international profile of our country, and it's not simply about the governance of our country, basing it on social justice, on fairness, tolerance and respect. But it's also because peace has a value in its own right. It is what you may call a superordinate goal. It transcends the normal. It is something worthy of pursuit. So what does the report suggest? Firstly, it suggests that Wales is well placed to become a nation of peace. Both its historical and cultural legacy speak very powerfully to the ideas of peace. Moreover, since devolution, we've had a series of legislative initiatives which pave the way for Wales to become a nation of peace. Central to these, of course, is the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act, a highly innovative piece of legislation. And what we therefore suggest is 6 peace goals forming the basis of a national conversation. And you can see these goals in this slide. But importantly, we don't see these as a blueprint, but rather the basis for a national conversation, which will hopefully lead to a national manifesto for peace, building on the precedent of the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act. So we hope you enjoy reading our report, but above all, we hope that you are enthused to engage in a discussion about how we can move forward as a nation to become a nation of peace. Thank you very much.